I'm talking about right now is in Advanced Pre-Algebra, Unit 2, Lesson 8, multi-step word problems. The homework that goes with this is page 15 in the homework packet, plus a word problem worksheet, which is attached if you need it in this unit. All right, we are on page 14 in your note packet. And we're going to talk about some applications of multi-step equations. It says the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 375. What are the 3 integers? Use n for the smallest integer. So when you're doing problems like this, the first thing you need to do is define your variables. We need 3 consecutive integers. They told us n is the smallest. So let n equal the first integer. And then we've got our second integer and our third integer. Now, the word consecutive means in a row. So if our first one is n, won't our second be n plus 1? And then our third will be n plus 2. So think about this. If your numbers are 7, 8, and 9, 7 is n, 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 plus 2 is 9. That would give you 3 consecutive integers. And it says the sum, so the word sum means you add them, so n plus 1 plus n plus 2, that's all 3 of them added together, is 375. Solve this. On this left side, I need to simplify. N plus n plus n is 3n. 1 plus 2 is 3, equals 375. Now, subtract 3 from both sides. 3n is what? 372. Divide both sides by 3, and I get n is 124. So, my first integer is 124. 124 plus 1 is 125, and 124 plus 2 is 126. So those are our 3 integers. You want to write a little sentence. The 3 integers are 124, 125, and 126. How do you test to make sure that you are correct? Add them up. If you add 124 plus 125 plus 126, you will get 375, so we know we're right. All right. The sum of 2 consecutive even integers is 58. What are they? So let's let n equal the first even. Now, this is tricky. Second consecutive even. Even numbers are 2 apart. So our next is going to be n plus 2. Now, the interesting thing is odd. Odd numbers are also 2 apart. So if you have n as your first odd, your second odd is going to be n plus 2. Because think about it. 5, 7, 9. They're separated by 2. If we do a third odd, or even a third even, we would be n plus 4. So think about it. If I start with 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5, 7, 9. 3 consecutive odds. If I start with an even over here, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. If I did 8 plus 4, that would be 12. 8, 10, 12. So evens and odds are defined the same way. So sum of 2 odds, or 2 evens is 58. So n plus 2 equals 58. N plus n is 2n plus 2 is 58. Subtract 2 from both sides. 2n is 56. Divide by 2, n is 28. That already looks pretty good because it's an even answer, and we need an even. So 28 plus 2 is 30. So our 2 even integers are 28 and 30. And they do add up to 58, so we know we're right. Julie sold 43 packages of taffy for this year's PTA fundraiser. This is 1 less than 4 times the number of packages she sold last year. How many did she sell last year? So we're going to say let x equal the number last year. Define your variable. What are you looking for? This year she sold 43. And they said, this is, so 43 is 1 less than 4 times the number last year. Well, 4 times the number last year is 4x. 1 less is -1. Make sure you do -1 and not 1 minus. Because you're 1 less, you're subtracting 1. Solve this, add 1 to both sides. 44 equals 4x, divided by 4x is 11. So she sold 11 packages last year.